I want to introduce you to a very new product called Erase. It is made with natural baking soda. Erase was developed by me to exfoliate the scalp and the hair. Now on our hair we use hard products, gels, mousses, sprays, what have you, and we break it in with a curling iron and also a blow dryer. So it's bound to harden on the hair. If you want to know what buildup looks like, get your curling iron, open it up, and look at it. If there's buildup on the curling iron, on the both sides of the curling iron, there's definitely buildup in your hair and on your scalp. This is hairspray that has leaked out of the bottle. It's almost like amber, it's that hard. Using hairspray on your hair every day is fine, it's not a problem, but every once in a while, probably once a week, you need to exfoliate your hair with Erase. That will take the dryness out, will take the buildup off, and it'll make your hair shiny again, full again, and color bright. Let me show you a 250 times magnification what buildup on the hair and scalp exactly looks like. As you go along here, you can see the buildup. You can see how there's sprays and gels and environmental buildup. This is what weighs your hair down, and it's also what makes your hair dull. It's also what gives you lack of body because, like I said, it weighs it down, it feels dry. Now let me show you what buildup on the scalp looks like at 250 times magnification. You can see how shiny that scalp is. That is all buildup of sebum. It's buildup of product and environmental buildup. And the scalp dictates everything about the health of your hair. Now this is Monica's hair being shampooed one time without Erase, and I will show you what is left in the hair. You can see that the shampoo has not removed all the buildup completely, and that's why you will need to use Erase to exfoliate the scalp and exfoliate the hair. You mix equal parts shampoo and Erase. Make sure that you work the Erase and shampoo down the shaft of the hair and onto the scalp, leaving it for about 2 to 4 minutes depending on the length of hair. I want to show you now that Erase has been used with the favorite shampoo. Look how clean that hair is. That hair now will be able to shine, it will be full of body, the color will even be brighter. As you can actually see how clean that hair is. There's nothing attaching to the hair whatsoever. Now let me show you what the scalp looks like after Erase has been used to remove all the buildup and exfoliate the scalp. See how pink that scalp is and healthy? Joy has beautiful white hair, but as you may know, white and gray hair can take on a yellow tone by either the hard water and environmental buildup and product buildup, as you can see right here. Erase will remove the yellow in the hair. You may believe that just shampooing your hair will remove buildup. No, in fact, you probably are contributing to the buildup because you are missing the critical step. Exfoliating. Like in skincare, we cleanse and moisturize, but now the key step in between is exfoliating. By using Erase and exfoliating the scalp and the hair, you will be able to remove the mineral buildup that causes yellowing of gray hair. After Erase, you can see that it is completely clean. All buildup has been erased from her hair. You can see the shine. It almost looks like spun gold. Take a look at Monica's hair now that it's dry and we've shampooed it with Erase and her favorite shampoo. Look at the volume that Monica's hair has, plus the shine that it has and how clean it is. This is what Erase does for your hair. It takes all the environmental buildup out and all the hairspray buildup and product buildup and leaves your hair to be free and shiny and soft and lots of beautiful color. The other things I recommend with Erase is the fact that you use Erase with your shampoo before you color your hair because it will allow the color pigment and dye to penetrate much better and stay much longer. You can see how shiny Joyce's hair is after using Erase and all the buildup is gone. Also, remember the yellow? The yellow is gone. And that's the most important thing for gray and white hair is that Erase will eliminate the yellow in your hair.